Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create delicious homemade pizza from scratch. First, let's start with the foundation. The dough. You'll need about 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Dissolve the yeast in 1 1/4 cups of warm water, around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then combine everything and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. Let it rise for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. Now that your dough is rising, let's craft a flavorful sauce and select some fantastic toppings. For a quick and tasty sauce, combine a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes with 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and a pinch of sugar. Simmer this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes to meld the flavors. For toppings, classic choices include shredded mozzarella, savory pepperoni, sliced mushrooms, and colorful bell peppers. Remember, fresh ingredients make all the difference for a truly delicious pizza. With your dough ready and toppings prepped, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Gently stretch your dough into a 12 to 16-inch circle on a lightly floured surface. Spread a thin, even layer of your delicious homemade sauce, leaving about a 1-inch border for the crust. Now, add your favorite toppings and about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 475 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Your incredible homemade pizza is fresh out of the oven. To ensure the cheese sets and prevents toppings from sliding, let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. Use a sharp pizza cutter to divide your pizza into 8 perfect slices. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh basil leaves or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Gather your loved ones and savor every bite of this warm, comforting meal you created. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly baked homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.